Welcome back RK Learning Cat friends. Friends, we are learning Creo and in Creo I'm going to start part modeling. Okay, so let's go. So friends, I close this file. You can press Ctrl plus W and press yes. So we have create new document. You can uncheck here and you can give here file name. Okay, this file name later we can rename, but suppose I give here name part. So friends, here spacing don't count. Okay, part 1. Now solid and just this option unchecked. If you want to choose template, okay, just okay. That box unchecked means this box coming. Now you see here too much template have. So here we select MMNS solid part ABS. Okay, part solid ABS. This is template very good. So you can select any template. Okay, but this is the millimeters template and just press OK. So already we have entered in part modeling. This user interface already we have seen in sketching mode. So here 3 datum plane have. If you want to start sketching, so just you select any datum plane. Okay. So friends, today we discuss first tool. This is first tool, that is the extrude command. Okay. So I select this datum plane and I click here sketch. Now this is automatic normal no coming. Why no coming? Because of this option no checked. Go to option, click here and go to sketcher. So weak dimension deactivated. Again go downside, lock, modify dimension, this one you checked. After that you select make the sketching plane parallel to the screen. This option activated. If this option activated means plane automatic normal condition coming. Okay. So one more thing, we can increase thickness. Okay friends, now this is important setting done. Just okay and press normal. So I have to learn extrude command. So I select here one circle made. Okay, and when my sketch finish, what you do, just press OK. So we exit on sketching mode. When we exit, so we see all 3D tools visible here. So this is the shape, that is the working on any sketch. And this is the engineering, that is the converted 3D geometry. Okay, so this is working on converted 3D geometry, and this is the here editing some offset mirror this type. And one more thing friends, in Creo software part modeling and surface modeling combined have. Okay, that is separate no given, only sheet metal separate given have. So if you want to design surface modeling, same command use. If you want to create part design, same command use. So if we create close profile, close sketch, so that is the solid modeling coming, and if we make open profile, that is the surface modeling coming. Okay, so concept same in both modeling, surface modeling, part modeling. So start. So we have already create one circle. This circle I want to convert in 3D. So click means see blue color, this is coming, but this is the not selected. So if you want to select, just click here. So green means friends, this is the selected. Now sketch selected, we can select here extrude command. Otherwise we can press X key. Okay. So extrude command, when I select, you see your 2D geometry circle converted in 3D geometry. And you see here type, 2 type have, solid type, surface type. Now this is the close profile, that is the automatic solid activated. But close profile have, but I want to make surface, so just you check the surface. So surface means friends thickness no coming. Okay. So first we understood solid and all option working same. Okay, surface modeling and solid modeling, that is not difference. Only difference, that is the close profile automatic solid activated. If open profile, that is the surface coming. Okay. So here solid selected. Now you see here depth parameter have, and here settings and remove 2 things have. This is the not activated. If you go option, same things you see depth side 1 and side 2, and this is the length, and this is the add taper. Something property have, body option go, nothing have, property nothing have. So we have to discuss offset inside parameters. Okay, now see, first option है variable. Variable means friends how much height we want to give the direction. So this arrow, this left key press and mouse drag means we can change this one. Otherwise you type here height value, okay, and press enter. Now this is side 2. If side 2 means sketch both downside direction, I want to go again some height, so we use here same variable option. So this one going too much, so this way we can also try. Okay, so this is the variable side 1 and side 2. But friends, if we want to both side equal coming, 200 200 both side equal coming, so we use here symmetricity option. If you select symmetricity option, so your total height divided in two parts, 100 up 100 down. So this is the symmetricity profile, symmetricity geometry. Okay, so if this one result you want to check, so just you press preview. See this type result coming. Okay, again uncheck preview. So these two understand, variable and the symmetricity, two option you understand. Now next here friends, you see add taper. If you select here add taper, so we can give here draft angle. You see I type here 5 and enter press, you see this one. But if we select here variable, so this one going up one direction. Okay, if we select symmetrical, so this is taper coming, so this taper we can uncheck. So this type we want a taper, so you can check, otherwise no need, so uncheck. So here the cap ends option है. If you select here surface, that is the both side open coming. Okay, but I want to the both side close coming, surface but close coming. So in this situation we can use cap ends. So both side this is the close coming. Okay friends, so this is working on surface geometry. Now I select a solid, that is the uncheck. So in this situation you see we have learned variable and symmetricity option. Now here see thicken option है. If I activated this option, what you see, your sketch outer thickness supply. Okay, and this is the thickness how much, I type here 10 and press enter, you see 10 thickness supply. So this sketch going, this thickness going sketch inside direction, but I want to outside go, so you can check here outside. Okay, so symmetricity, variable, thicken and tapers, all option you have understood. So more thickness is the 20 and just press preview, result see this type. Okay, so okay, now I press okay. So this is the first two situation. Suppose I create here this plane and I create here one geometry again. Select sketch mode. See that inside option I set make parallel to screen, so that is automatic coming. So I select here one rectangle, you see, and just press OK. Okay. Now again select extrude command. So this is variable. This is the variable option. Now you see too much option increase, to next, throw all, throw until, to reference. Okay. So if you have situation, that time option increase. If situation no have, so no increase. So if I select here to next means friends, this object front face, whatever first surface coming, that is stopped from here. Okay, that is stopped there. If same side I want to up to next also, so you can use here same up to next this side. Okay, thicken already explained. If you don't use, so don't uncheck. Now remove material. If you want to remove material activated, that is the cutting coming. Okay. So friends, in Creo modeling, separate, revolve, cut, sweep, extrude, cut no given. That is the including extrude command. Only simple command given and all property and edit here. If don't want to cut out, just material making, so just you remove material uncheck. So this is the two next option. Okay. Now that is the throw all. If we select throw all, so this is not working here, throw all. So first you up to next understand and just okay. Okay. Now I select this datum plane and I click here plane. You see a box coming. This box we can drag and just place here. So this is the main 3 datum planes. Now this is the extra datum plane. I want to sketching here. Just select this plane and make here sketching. Suppose I make here what? One rectangle making or one circle making and just finish it. Circle here है, body here है. I select extrude command and go option. I select here throw all. Throw all means see he coming in automatic this one. So this is throw all. Okay. Same if this side also body have, so second direction we can also use. Okay, but this side body have, so no, don't need to use. Now next option is the throw until. Throw until means select this body. So here coming. Okay. So this is the throw until meanings. So now next option to reference. To reference means friends this is the working as a surface type. If you select this surface, so here coming. If we select here this surface, so this is here coming. If you select this surface, so this surface coming. Okay. So this is the two reference options. If you want to taper add, so taper add can use. Now friends, you see we can create 3D metal with extrude command. Now we see how to remove material. So simple step है, select this face and again create sketching. I make here rectangle. Okay, just place. So sketch already selected है, that is green coming, and select extrude command. So this one by default going this direction, so we can check direction. If you want to remove material, don't need to make material, so you check the removed only. And same length how much, depth how much, whatever you want to take. Taper if you want to make taper you can do here, 3 degree 4 degree whatever you want, and just click here and press OK. Okay friends, so this is the extrude tool and I have explained all options. Now if you make open profile, now I told na part modeling and surface modeling include in single type. So if we create here open profile, so what's it? If we create here open profile, so what's it? Just select extrude command. See open profile है, automatic this option surface activated है. Now direction how much given distance you give and just finish. Now part modeling color and this modeling color different है, surface color. Okay. Again suppose I select this plane, again I make here sketch and again I make here some ellipse and this one finish. I select here extrude, that one going downside, we select here outside and select here surface and I select here remove. So see here friends, no working. Select this one. So when I select this surface, so see here automatic cutout apply and just press OK. Okay. So this way we use extrude command. Okay friends, that is using part modeling and surface modeling. So I think you have understood how to use extrude command. So friends, please subscribe RK Learning CAD because I have started to teach design softwares. So we will meet next video and we will discuss another part modeling tools. Okay, that is Revolve. So friends, have a nice day.